going to read my poem. Don't worry, be happy. There is no need for you to worry too much. Live life to the present. Do not look back to the past, for it is useless. Neither worry about tomorrow, for it is yet to come. Do not cross the bridge before you come to it. So don't worry, be happy. If you want to be happy in life, do not criticize, condemn, or complain, but be gentle and friendly to others. Forgive others and be forgiven as well. Send that message of goodness, a smile. It brightens the lives of all those who see it. Start a day with the intention to be balanced, peaceful, and happy. Do not be desperate about little things. You can't be desperate and be happy at the same time. Do away with debilitating thoughts of health and money. Do things you enjoy doing and love yourself first. You are motivated by doing things and not thinking about them. It is pointless to worry about life. Worry and fear eat you up like cancer. It won't allow you to think critically, but hinders your dreams and aspirations. It casts a shadow of doubt and remorse. Uncertainty and stagnation are broadened. So don't worry, be happy. Thank you.